Saan kunin yung flow na sand.
Oh, my hat.
Yeah, okay pala. Grabe, grabe. Grabe.
Watch your eyes, may lumilim.
Ah. Wow. So the rocks have sand on them. That's why ganun siya, yung erosion niya. It's because of the sand.
Once you're there, it's easier to walk on the rocks.
Yeah, tama.
Wow.
Alright, baka si Chris.
Yep.
I cannot see.
Right leg.
Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan.
Maybe right leg.
Kaya mo yan.
Okay.
Wow.
Sulit.
Wow, wow, wow. Okay, picture tayo dito.
I cannot see.
Sige, sige, sige. Hanip!
Hanip siya, hanip.
Oh, wow.
Hanip.
Okay.
Sulit to, sulit tong punta natin dito.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, come here.
Better ba?
Oh. Whew. Okay, this is super amazing. Alam mo yung sinasayang punta ka sa Grand Canyon, sana makita, oh my god, ito pala feeling niya. Pero here we're actually inside it, di ba? Jules, okay, well, hold on. Okay, baba ko lang to.
Literally on top of the world.
Oh, sige. Ay, thank you, Jules. Punta ka dito. It's really wow. Diba? Holy shit, diba?
Grabe.
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 Grabe, diba? Kasi normally when you go to a Grand Canyon, may mga harang eh.
Oh,
Ito, you're in the canyon. Oh my gosh. Diba? Holy shit. Chris, kaya mo ba?
mabuo mo na.
Sige.
Nahihirapan din siya
Oo, yung cardio.
Link, pati makita.
Makita. Okay.